Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you have error on your iPhone, you can't log in into your Instagram, so how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just check your internet connection. Just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find here Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn it on again. Also you can try to restart your Wi-Fi router, and if you're using mobile data, just turn off mobile data and turn on again. Also you can try to go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you too, you can also try another way. So just check available updates on your iOS. Just go to the general. In the general, just open software update, and if you see here available updates, just download and install them on your iPhone. And if it doesn't help you too, just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just try to Instagram, and if you see here update, not get but open but update, just tap on update and it will successfully download and install the latest updates on your Instagram app. So this is a way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.